Some white pelicans down to the right. You see them? Not by poaching. There's only about 2,500 of them left in the whole of Africa. Some pelicans as well. Look to your right. Bongos. B-O-N-G-O. You remember that old song? Bongo was his name. They spend up to about 8 minutes. They see us. Those are the Nile crocodiles. They grow much larger than the American alligators. Up to about 20 feet long. Thompson's gazelle. Got it. They are not babies. You might think they're babies. And as a matter of fact, they've got a baby of their own. Actually, 2 of them. Everybody thought they were babies until they got babies. Oh, there's some, yeah? Yeah, it is. Look at some more to the left. Gazelles.
Is it Termite Hill?
Yep. Ostriches. That doesn't apply to human beings though, huh? Maybe a matter of opinion.
Look at giraffes.
Those are wildebeest to your left. Baby giraffe is about 6 foot tall.
Wow.
Goes straight from mama to the end here.
They're big.
Been this close to a giraffe before? Those giraffes have got very long tongues, up to about 18 inches long. Look at that one to the left. In the water, when it hits them now. We're moving on to elephant country, where we might put some of our most famous animals. Simple one-to-one Wilson tour. Any news on the whereabouts of Little Red and Big Red?
I have not seen them today. Try the red clay pit.
Big Red is the elephant.